Now, with just 2 months left for JEE Mains 2025, so these final weeks are crucial. So in this video, I'll give you a complete 2 months roadmap. In phase 1, I'll talk about first 40 days which you have to use to strengthen your concepts. Coordination compound, 3 to 4 questions will definitely come. GOC, 3 to 4 questions. Hello future ITers, welcome back to this amazing platform of PW Gulf YouTube channel. This side Vishali Chaudhary, your chemistry educator. Now, with just 2 months left for JEE Mains 2025, it's a game time, right? So these final weeks are crucial, and these will help you, these will make a massive difference in your rank and your college options. So in this video, I'll give you a complete 2 months roadmap, which will help you maximize your preparation, stay stress-free, and make sure you are preparation ready. So make sure you watch this video till the end for bonus tips to avoid making mistakes. Right? So now let's talk about your 60 days plan. So we'll be dividing next 60 days in 2 phases. In phase 1, I'll talk about first 40 days, which you have to use to strengthen your concepts. Remaining 20 days, we'll talk about that is phase 2. So first we'll talk about first 40 days. So in first 40 days, what you have to do, you have to strengthen your concepts. That is, you have to revise your physics, chemistry and mathematics. Divide your time in 3 slots, 3 subject slots: physics, chemistry and mathematics. And here you have to revise all the chapters, but most importantly the chapters or the topics from where NTA has asked questions in 4 to 5 years. And here, for your help, I added the most important topics and the chapters from where NTA has asked questions in 4 to 5 years. So for your help, I added the topics and the chapters over here. If I'll talk about physics. So in physics, these are the important topics and the chapters from where NTA has asked questions. So take the screenshot: photoelectric effect, atoms, nuclei, heat and thermodynamics, kinematics, Newton's laws of motion, friction, work, power and energy, COM and collision, current, electricity, simple harmonic motion. These are the important topics. You can take the screenshot and the chapters. Now let's talk about chemistry. So if I'll talk about chemistry, these are the topics. Like, I'm sure generally students have this confusion. They want the topics or the chapters from where NTA has asked the question. So for your reference, these are the topics. If I'll talk about chemical bonding. So chemical bonding and periodic classification, from these chapters, 4 to 5 questions are coming. So chemical bonding and periodic classification, mole concept, very important. Atomic structure like Bohr's model, spectrum, quantum numbers, hot topics. And from here, 3 to 4 questions, they will definitely come. Thermodynamics, then equilibrium. Equilibrium is another important, both chemical and ionic. Coordination compound, 3 to 4 questions will definitely come. GOC, 3 to 4 questions. Amines, hydrocarbons. I'm not saying other chapters of the topics are not important, but these are the hot ones. Right? Now let's talk about mathematics. So if I'll talk about maths, these are the topics, these are the hot topics from where questions they have been asked in 4 to 5 years. 3D, definite integration, matrices, determinants, sequences and series, differential equations, applications of derivatives, straight lines, complex number, probability, binomial theorem, permutation and combination. Right? So first thing, I told you about the important topics which you definitely have to study, and you should revise these topics thoroughly, and other topics also you can revise if you can manage your time through your notes or through the short notes. Next, now how to achieve your daily target. So set achievable goals for revision and practice. You should revise at least 3 chapters per day and 1 from each subject. After revising through the short notes, because then if you are revising, if you have already studied and now you have to do the revision. So if you are revising through the short notes, you will get time. Now solve 30 to 40 numerical problems daily. In these numerical problems, it would be great if you will solve or practice solved numericals or solved problems, because that will help you strengthen your concept and you get an idea like what if a question is asking something, then what should be the answer of that. Getting my point? So yes, And also very important, attempt your topic wise or topic specific mock test. Topic specific mock test will give you the confidence about that topic. So attempt your topic specific mock test every 3 days. And most important is you should solve PYQs. You should at least solve 4 to 5 years PYQs to identify commonly asked questions. That's very, very important. So first revision. After revision, you should solve your problems. You must have DPPs. You can solve questions through them also, and you should attempt specific your topic specific mock test. I'm not talking about full length mock test. Full length mock test I'll talk about, and PYQs. Okay. Now let's talk about phase 2, that is remaining 20 days. What you will do in remaining 20 days. The first thing is that after studying, after revising your syllabus portion and the important topics in the chapters, what you should do, you should appear for full length mock test. Appear for full length mock test under timed conditions, and after, because if you will appear for the mock test, you will get an idea about your marks that you are getting, about your rank. And after getting the result, you should do the analysis, like what are my weak areas, what was the difficult question for me, and you should work on that. So analyze your mock test thoroughly to find your weak areas and make sure you work on the weak areas, right? Along with, in the remaining 20 days, along with appearing for mock test, what you should do, you should revise the formulas daily. Like students, they generally face problems in your formulas. So whether it is, these are the formulas of physics, your mathematics, or the chemistry physical portions, you should revise them daily. And if you have already written, so you can revise through them, because you don't have time to write the formulas. So that's one important point. So quick revision in the evening daily to revise all the formulas. That's very important. Also, time management. While you are appearing for your mock test or whether for your exam, you should approach the easier questions first and the tricky ones later, because in the exam you have to manage your time. If you will get stuck in a tricky question first, then you will waste a lot of time. So time management practice is very important, and for that, what you can do, you should appear for the solving easier problems first and tricky ones later, right? Okay. Now, preparation, let's get into the subject specific tips which I wanted to give you. If I'll talk about physics, so in physics, first of all, practice or revise the chapters and practice the questions from those topics in the chapters which have good weightage in your exam. Also, there are chapters which are more of NCERT based, so master NCERT for those chapters, revise through short notes that I mentioned, and also solve PYQs, right? And along with that, you are appearing for the mock test. If I talk about chemistry, so in chemistry, you have different portions like inorganic, physical, and organic. For inorganic, as you are all are aware, NCERT is your Bible. So, I would suggest you to please read through the short notes, important trends, what all are different exceptions. That is very important. In physical chemistry, like you have electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, and your solutions, chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, thermodynamics, mole concept. So here, first of all, the formulas you should be very clear about. All the formulas you should be aware of. Number one, so revise the formulas, practice solving numericals, because these are more numerical based chapters. So practice numericals from these topics. And if I'll talk about organic ones, so organic chemistry, so in organic chemistry, different name reactions, you should revise. See, organic is volatile, so you should revise the reactions daily. That's very important. So name reactions, mechanism, which reagent and which reaction. So create a map which relates important reactions and their mechanisms. That's very important. Next, if I talk about mathematics, so you have to build your speed with calculus and coordinate geometry. They have good weightage and questions, it is coming definitely in your exam. So memorize again the formulas. You should revise daily and memorize formulas for trigono, your probability, matrices, and your solve mixed concept problems to sharpen your problem solving skill. Right? So now preparation is not all about studying. Preparation is also about how to stay motivated and avoid burnout. So for that, number one point is that you should take breaks. Let's suppose you are studying for 30 minutes of your 1 hour continuously. So after that, you should take at least 5 or 10 minutes break to keep yourself rejuvenated and to stay focused. That's very important. Stay active. Don't take the pressure on your shoulders. And for that, what you can do, you should at least do exercise or meditation for 10 to 15 minutes daily. This is at least, I'm saying, minimum of this much is required. And yes, during our preparation time, this is something which definitely happens with us. That is, we compare ourselves with other students. Oh my God, I'm not getting good rank, or I'm not getting good scores. So avoid comparison in that situation. Focus on your own progress. Focus on your own. You don't think in different directions. Your thoughts should be monodirectional. It should be unidirectional, because you have to put all your energy in just one direction. Then only you will be able to reach that goal. So don't compare yourself with others. Focus on your own and manifest that yes, I'm gonna be the one who is gonna crack JEE Mains 2025 in just one first attempt, right? So don't think about others. Just try to make your thoughts or align your thoughts in just one direction, that is on your studies. You should think about this part only in this time duration. Yes, sometimes we think that let's study for 10 to 12 hours. Don't do that. Just take minimum of 6 hours of sleep. That is very necessary at your age, right? So sacrificing sleep is a big no. Try to take minimum of 6 to 7 hours of sleep every night. And yes, keep reminding yourself that yes, I'm gonna be the one who is gonna crack JEE Mains 2025. So positive affirmations, stay intrinsically motivated. I'm the one who is giving you external motivation, but you should stay intrinsically motivated. Motivation should come from inside of you, right? All right, so next, your next 60 days are all about planning smart and practicing hard and staying calm under the pressure. That's very important, guys. Stick to this roadmap and trust your preparation and give it your all. Keep pushing forward yourself. That's very important. That's what is needed for this time. And yes, if you have liked this video, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. All the best to all of you for JEE Mains 2025. In case you have any questions or you need more guidance, so don't forget to comment below. I'll make another video based on that, based on your comments. And happy studying. Thank you for staying in this video till the end. Bye-bye and take care.